Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your mathematics lecture, and today I am going to start chapter 13, that is symmetry. At first, what is symmetry and what is symmetrical axis? Now, students, symmetry means when one shape is exactly same the other shape. When we move, rotate or flip a picture around the symmetrical axis, किसी symmetrical axis के about कोई फिगर दूसरे से बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट हो, समान हो, एक दूसरे को एग्जैक्टली कवर अप कर लेता है, तो वो फिगर सिमेट्रिकल होता है। और जिस एक्सिस के अबाउट ये वर्क होता है, दैट इज योर सिमेट्रिकल एक्सिस। Look here. Example. Assume this is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means a triangle which has two sides are equal. A triangle which has two sides are equal is isosceles triangle. मीन्स अब यहाँ पे हम अगर एक सिमेट्रिकल एक्सिस ड्रॉ कर दें, एक एक्सिस ड्रॉ करें और इसे अगर हम टर्न करके इस पार्ट को टर्न करके इस पे ले आए, देन दिस पार्ट इज एग्जैक्टली कवर अप द, एज्यूम दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड दिस इज सेकेंड पार्ट। अगर सेकेंड पार्ट को फर्स्ट से कवर अप करते हैं, देन सेकेंड पार्ट इज exactly cover up the first part, then this figure is called the symmetrical figure. Means isosceles triangle is a symmetrical figure known as symmetrical axis. Symmetrical axis. And this is the symmetricity. And now students, question is, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line L1 or L2? यहाँ क्वेश्चन एक फिगर दिया हुआ है, एक लाइन दी हुई है, दिस इज L1 एंड सेकेंड लाइन इज L2, एंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि मिरर लाइन इनमें से कौन सा होगा, L1 या L2। एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, मिरर लाइन मीन्स अगर हम मिरर में अपने फेस देखते हैं तो सिमिलर फेस दिखता है। मीन्स अगर L1 के अबाउट इसे हम टर्न करेंगे तो दिस फिगर इज नॉट सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट L1 लाइन ऑफ एक्सिस। अगर L2 लाइन एक्सिस के अबाउट इसे हम टर्न करेंगे, दिस बोथ साइड्स आर सिमिलर, एग्जैक्टली सेम, सो आंसर इज योर L2 इज द मिरर लाइन। L2 इज द मिरर लाइन। फिगर विद द 2 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, फिगर विद द 3 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री एंड फिगर विद द 4 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। इससे पहले we will see figure with the 1 line of symmetry. In isosceles triangle, we can draw only 1 line of symmetry and 2 line of symmetry. In rectangle, means opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Here we can draw 2 line of symmetry, that is vertical and horizontal both. एक vertical line of symmetry and this is your horizontal line of symmetry. Figure with the 3 line of symmetry. Figure with the 3 line of symmetry, we can draw 3 line of symmetry in equilateral triangle. Imagine, students, imagine this is the equilateral triangle Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal in length. So we can draw here three lines of symmetry, L1, L2, and this is the L3. This one is the L1 line of symmetry, this one is the L2 line of symmetry, and this is your L3 line of symmetry. So in equilateral triangle we can draw three line of symmetry. And now four line of symmetry. In square shape figure we can draw four line of symmetry. Square has a four sides are equal. So 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. In square we can draw four line of symmetry. And many line of symmetry in a circle, and in a circle we can draw many line of symmetry. सर्कल में हम many line of symmetry draw कर सकते हैं. Now question. Now students, come with another question. Can you draw a triangle which has exactly one line of symmetry, exactly two line of symmetry, exactly three line of symmetry, and no line of symmetry? Yes students, exactly one line of symmetry. As you know, in isosceles triangle we can draw only one line of symmetry. In isosceles triangle we can draw only one line of symmetry, and exactly two line of symmetry are not possible in triangle. This is not possible. Not possible. Exactly two line of symmetry is not possible in a triangle. Exactly three line of symmetry. Yes, three line of symmetry is possible in equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, exactly three line of symmetry is possible. No line of symmetry. In scalene triangle, scalene triangle क्या होता है? All sides are different in length. If in a triangle all sides are different in length, this type of triangle is a scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, there is no line of symmetry can be drawn. Now students, move on another question. This question says, consider the letters of English alphabet A to Z, that is capital letters. List among them the letters which have first vertical line of symmetry, second horizontal line of symmetry, and no line of symmetry. हमें यहाँ पे ये देखना है कि कैपिटल अल्फाबेट में किसमें वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगी, किस लेटर में हम we can draw horizontal line of symmetry, and in which letters we can draw horizontal and vertical both line of symmetry, and the no line of symmetry. Which alphabet letters have no line of symmetry? Look here, मैंने A से लेके T तक को लिख लिया है. देखिए यहाँ पे A वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अगर हॉरिजेंटल करेंगे तो दिस फिगर इज नॉट सिमेट्रिक अबाउट द हॉरिजेंटल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. लेटर A इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट द वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. and B, letter B is symmetric about horizontal line of symmetry, and C is also the horizontal line of symmetry. D is also the horizontal line of symmetry. E is also symmetrical about the horizontal line of symmetry. F, no line of symmetry. G, no line of symmetry. H, symmetric about the vertical line of symmetry. I, vertical and horizontal both. Horizontal line of symmetry, no line of symmetry. J, no line of symmetry. K, horizontal line of symmetry. L, no line of symmetry. M, vertical line of symmetry. N, no line of symmetry. O, vertical and horizontal, both line of symmetry. P, no line of symmetry. Q, no line of symmetry. R, no line of symmetry. S, no line of symmetry. T, vertical line of symmetry. Now U, vertical line of symmetry. V, vertical line of symmetry. W, vertical line of symmetry. X, vertical line of symmetry. And Y, vertical line of symmetry. Z, no line of symmetry. Z, no line of symmetry. अब यहाँ से इसे हम यहाँ पे अरेंज कर देंगे. Then this is our required answer. Now students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.